Hey y'all, it's me, Slay by Jordan. Do not mind how rough I look in this video. Yeah, long week at the shop. Anyways, the company I'll be working with today is Dola Hair. They sent me over a 20-inch 13 by 6 lace frontal and 5 bundles of 40 inches. Inside the packaging, you will receive some information coupon code cards. You will receive a wig grip band. And of course, you will receive your hair. Right now, I am showing the frontal. It is a 13 by 6 frontal, so that means you get longer parts, you get more hair on the frontal, and you could do more styles and it look more natural. This is a medium brown lace, and it does come pre-plucked. If you are my skin tone or darker, this lace will be perfect for you. But if you are any lighter than me, this lace may not work for you. Because on my client today, we kind of had to finesse it because the lace was a little bit darker than her skin. So yeah, this is definitely for just like people my skin tone and darker. If you are lighter, you would definitely want to get a transparent lace. As y'all can see, I am super hyped because y'all know I love long hair. And 40 inches, y'all, come on. You know I'm finna slay this. I am so hyped, period. As you can see, this hair is super duper long. So this is definitely not everyday hair, but this is definitely hair for like a photo shoot, a birthday, you want to start on some haters type event. This is definitely the mood. As you can see, I went ahead and made this into a custom frontal wig, and I went ahead and pressed the bone straight and laid my part in. I did go ahead and bleach the knots off camera, and I did pluck the hairline some more to make it more natural to my liking. The link I provided in the video is only 3 bundles of 40 inches with the frontal. You definitely want to order 2 more extra bundles because 5 bundles of 40 inch with this frontal is the minimum. Any lesser is gonna look too thin, so you definitely will need 5 bundles, y'all. So the link in the video only is 3 bundles with the frontal. You would definitely have to buy 2 more at least. And as you can see, I went ahead and crimped the wig off camera. I used my Ion Titanium Triple Barrel Waver. If you want to see how I crimped the hair, you can go watch my slime green closure sewing video. I did the same method. I just used freeze spray on each crimp to make them hard so they could last longer. Meet my client, Fendi. We go ahead and did her straight back braid down foundation, and now we're doing her ball cap. Y'all already know the process. I feel like I say the exact same thing in every video. So this video, I'm just not going to talk that much. Y'all already know what I'm doing. We just laying that ball cap in there. For the glue we're using today, we're using Erica J's Hold Me Down adhesive. I love this adhesive too, y'all. I really, really do. It does give a great hold and it dries quick. And you know, I love me a good old glue that has a good hold and dries quick because I do not have time to be waiting all day. That's the reason why I don't use Ghost Bond because y'all, Ghost Bond, child, you be sitting there all day waiting for Ghost Bond to dry. And the hold don't be that good. But you know, I'm gonna get off Ghost Bond because I started with Ghost Bond, but you know. We just gonna leave that in the past. So yeah, we used the Erica J's Hold Me Down adhesive. We did 3 layers today only. And then at the third layer dries, we're gonna go ahead and tie that lace down. Well, not tie it down, we're gonna lay that lace down. Then cut it off, then tie it down. As you can see, that lace is in fact darker than her skin, but that's okay. We're just gonna spray some freeze spray and tie it down with our elastic band just to make sure we can just melt it in as much as we can. And then we're just gonna do a full hairline baby hairs today because you know we want to be ghetto fabulous today. I mean, we already being extra with the 40 inches with crimps. Why not do a full hairline of baby hair? So yeah, we finna get the swooping and whooping. And to swoop her baby hairs, we use Erica J's Fluff Stuff Styling Foam. And then we set her up under the dryer for about 20 minutes just to make sure everything was dry. Because you want to make sure your edges are dry, because if they are still wet, your lace will lift. Especially when your client has on a full face of makeup and mousse and glue that does not mix. So you want to make sure that everything is dry. So after we took the wrap off, we went ahead and combed her baby hairs out to make them softer. And just to give them some hold, we sprayed freeze spray over it just so they won't be like everywhere. And now what we're doing, we're black spraying that part. I do this to make my parts more crispier. She's going to show you in a second how it looks. I know a lot of y'all say that this is unnatural, but once again, we are trying to be ghetto fabulous, honey. There's nothing natural about 40 inches. It's extra. Just enjoy it. You see what I mean? That part is crisp. Period, Pooh. Like, come on. Come on, y'all. Y'all know I slayed this. I slayed this. Yes. Give it to him, Fendi. And I got this little hair accessory off of Amazon. It came in a package of like 10. If I can find the link, I will link it down below. Don't quote me. I got to go through my recent orders. And that'll be a lot because I ordered so much stuff from Amazon and try to find it. So yeah, I just did it to add some flavor to the hair. I thought it would go with her outfit. You know, her outfit was giving me like schoolgirl vibes. Like, it would just give me schoolgirl vibes. And I feel like plaid, like with the crimps, that's such a schoolgirl moment. Like, yes. So right now, I just took some Beyond the Zone and sprayed it on my hands and my comb. And we're just combing out them crimps to give just a softer look. And then she is laid and slayed, honey. Once again, this is 5 bundles of 40 inch with a 13 by 6 20-inch lace frontal that I made into a custom frontal wig. This is straight hair from Dola Hair that I crimped and installed on my lovely model, Baby Fendi. Make sure you check out me and Dola Hair's Instagram page. I thank you guys so much for watching. Goodbye.